Hello everyone, my name is Poonam Deshpande and welcome to the second part of lecture series of flipped classroom. In the previous lecture, we talked about the curious case of two teachers wherein both of them, say A and B, both of them had a different style of teaching, and then I had given you an activity to be done on host networking website. So this particular lecture of part 2 is just for summarizing what we have done in the previous lecture. So let us start with that. All of you must have given some inputs on course networking regarding the merits and demerits of teacher A and teacher B. So we'll just summarize. I have looked at all the points that you have mentioned. Now teacher A, what was the style or the model of teacher A? He lectures in class and then he gives problems to solve at home to the students. So basically for teacher A, there are two perspectives that we want to look at. Okay, so one perspective is that the teacher's perspective itself, wherein what we want to say is that the teacher can adapt lecture dynamically to the student's response, wherein it means that or we are saying that we can give immediate clarification or we can explain things to the students. If they have any doubts or any queries, we can solve them there itself in the classroom. And that student's perspective is like they can ask questions of to the teacher during class, and so they are accessible to the teacher during the class and when they're solving the examples, or maybe when teacher is taking some topic they can stop him or her and then ask questions. So all these points seem to be the advantages of teacher A model. However, the key drawback here is that student does not have access to the teacher while working on a problem at home. So here there is an important point to keep in mind, that is we become experts only when we do things, right? We don't become experts by hearing things. So in order to develop expertise or mastery in the subject, it is necessary for the students to practice, and it is necessary for the students to actually do something with the material that teacher is saying or giving them, and that activity happens at home. But at this point, when the student is solving example at home, students do not have access to the teacher, so also teacher does not know what difficulties students face while doing or solving the problem. So now other hand, let us look at what teachers B's perspective is. From the teacher B's perspective, you are having the video at home and exercises are being done in class. Now what happens in the teacher's perspective? The teacher can address students' problem solving difficulties in the class itself. So it is not difficulties with respect to understanding to the topic, it is not at the recall or understand level, but it is at the apply and the higher levels. Difficulties can arise at the level can be addressed by teacher B in class. The advantage for the students again is that the students can watch lecture video at their own pace. So if they want to repeat, if they did not understand something, they can go back and then again have a look at the video and try to understand what exactly the concept is. Or and the second thing is that when they are in class, they can get immediate help from the peers, also from the teachers during problem solving process. So this is the advantage of the from the point of students perspective, and this is the advantage for model B also. But what is that key drawback? Although the key drawback I have written here is teachers effort to create a video, but the plus point is, although for the first time when you're creating a video it will take time, but once the video is ready it will be there forever. So initially you will have to take some pains and create videos, but once your videos are ready, you can use them in flipped classroom scenario. And that's it for this particular video. Part 3 I'll be publishing it or posting it soon on YouTube. Okay, that's it for today. Bye everyone.